Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and good at home. I hope you are doing your work, we are assigning to you as a homework every day, which you are getting after the class. Okay. I hope you all are doing the work, whatever questions and query you are getting, that also you are clearing in the classes. Okay, and by discussing with me. Now, today, my dear, we have already in the last class, I have already started the new chapter, that is subtraction. I have discussed with you all what subtraction is all about, how we used to subtract the things. Okay, I hope the exam is going smoothly and you have done your papers nicely. Okay, and whatever if left papers are there, then you will do that also nicely. Keep studying, my dear, so that you can score good marks. Okay, so today also we are going to discuss subtraction, but today I am going to discuss subtraction with borrowing. Okay, subtraction with borrowing. Okay, last time we have discussed the subtraction without borrowing and the subtraction with zero. I have already discussed the terms related with subtraction, but again I am just explaining you. Just listen to me. Chapter is the same, that is chapter number 5, subtraction. You can see the term take away and find the difference implies subtraction. How many left, how many more, how many less than. The difference of these all words and terms are related with subtraction. You can see the number from which we subtract is called minuend, which is the bigger number. The number which is being subtracted from minuend is called the subtrahend, which is the smaller number. The answer which we used to get after subtracting is called the difference. Okay, these terms please do keep in your mind. It's not like that you are knowing the subtraction, so you will forget these terms. Questions can arise from these words. Okay, we subtract the number by arranging in a vertical column. Do you know the meaning of vertical and horizontal? Vertical means standing lines. I have already explained. Standing line. Whereas horizontal means vertical. Okay, this is vertical and horizontal. This is the question which I am going to discuss with you all. Okay, so I am going to zoom the page so that you can see nicely the things. The first thing which you have to do in this, just see. Step by step, all things are given. First thing is given that arrange in columns. There are three digit numbers 537 and 362. I have arranged this number according to their place value. Okay, after arranging the number, subtract from the ones place. We will start subtracting from the ones place. Ones place is 7 and 2. So 7 minus 2 when I am doing, I am getting 5. 7 minus 2 when I am doing then I am getting 5. After that, regroup 5 regroup 500 plus 3 tenths as 400 plus 30 means what? That here we have got 5. Now in the next when we are moving to 10th place, we are seeing 3 is written and 6 is written. 3 is smaller, 6 is larger than 3. In that case, we have to do the regrouping. Here, this regrouping word means borrowing, carrying. So we will go to the 5 for taking one carry and it will become 13. 13 minus 6 will be 7. Okay, and here we will get 4 left. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So we will get 175. This is the difference which we are getting after subtracting 537 minus 362. We are getting 175. So how we have subtracted? We have subtracted from the ones place, then we have moved to the tens place, we have regrouped the digit in the tens place, then we have subtracted the hundred place. Here also you can see it is written, the numbers which are mentioned here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number, means till crore it is being mentioned here. So you will also mention the place value upside till crore. Here the place values are not mentioned, but you have to mention. But it is written, the first step is written, arrange the number as the per the place value chart, means that place value chart, according to the place value chart it is arranged, although the place value is not mentioned, but you will mention in the copy. After that we will do the subtraction. 4 minus 7 is not possible. 4 is smaller, 7 is greater. In that case, 4 will go to the next number for taking carry. So 4 will ask 1 from the next number, that is 3. So 3 will give 1 to 4. It will become 14 and it will become 2. 14 minus 7 will be 7. Now here it is 2 and downside it is 6. So 2 minus 6 is not possible. It will take again carry from the number which is next to it, that is 8. So when 8 will give 1, then it will become 7 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 6 will be 6. After this, my dear, you can see now 8 has already given 1, so it has become 7. 7 is written upside. 7 minus 5 we can do. We don't have to take carry because 7 is already greater than 5. So we'll write 2 here easily. Now 2 minus 4 is again the same thing. 2 is smaller, 4 is greater. So it will go to the next place, that is 0, to take carry. But 0 will not give. 0 can't give any number to 2. So that 0 will move to the next number to take carry. Again, this place is also 0. So how it will give? Then this 0 will move to the next number. It can take carry from the number which is written just next to it. It cannot jump directly to the number where to that number from where it can take carry. It can, the number from which a number want to take carry, that number should be just the number which is just next to it. Okay, if that number is 0, then that 0 will move to the next number for taking carry. If that is also 0, then that will move to the next number. Like this only it will go on. So here the three places are 0, so they all are having no numbers to give. So it will, this 0 will again move to this crore place, and in crore place 4 is written. If 4 will give 1 to this 0, it will become 10. If this 10 will give 1 to this lakh, it will become 10 and it will become 9, which is written. Now again this will give 1 to this 0, then it will become 9 and it will become, there it is becoming 10. Now this, from this 10 this 2 can take carry and it can become 12, and that can be 9. Okay, now 12 minus 4 will be 8. 9 minus 1 will be 8. 9 minus 8 will be 1. 9 minus 3 will be, sorry, 6 will be 3, and lastly 3 minus 2 will be 1. So we have got, after regrouping the digit, after writing the digit according to the place value, after subtracting the digit, after taking the borrowing, all the things I have mentioned upside you can see very nicely in this, and then after that I have got the answer of mine, that is 1 crore 30 1,88,267. In the same way, this will also be done. You can see there is a question which is given, that is 76,000, sorry, 7,64,392, which is at the minimum place, whereas 2,5787 uh, 87, sorry, 57,087 is at the subtrahend place. The same process is there. What it will do, from the right side it will start from the ones place and it will go to the left. Okay, from the right to the left. So right side the first number is 2. 2 minus 7 is not possible, my dear. It will take one carry which is from the number which is just next to it, that is 9. So when 9 will give 1 to this 12, it will become, sorry, this 2, it will become 12 and it will become 8. Now, now 12 minus 7 will be 5 and 8 minus 8 will be 0. When any number is subtracted from itself, it will always give 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 because any number when subtracted with 0, it used to give the number itself. 4 minus 7 can't be possible. 4 is smaller, 7 is greater. 4 will move to the next number to the next number which is next to it for taking carry. So it will go to 6 for taking one carry. It will become 14. It will become 5. 6 will become 5 because it has already given 1 to 4 and it has become 14. 14 minus 7 will be 7. 5 minus 5 will be 0 and 7 minus 2 will be 5. So the answer will be 5,73 7,305. Okay, this will be the final answer, the difference between these two numbers we will get. Now I'm explaining this one. Here you can see at these three places 0 0 is there. Don't get confused. Nothing is there. It's very easy. If I have already said this will move to this place for taking carry. If it is also 0, then this 0 will move to the next for taking carry. In the same way, if it is also 0, then it will move to the next for taking carry. When 6 will give 1, then it will become 5, it will become 10. This 10, from this 10, if this 0 will take, it will become 10, it will become 9. Again this 0 will take, then it will become 9. Okay, after this 10 minus 3 will be 7, 9 minus 6 will be 3, 9 minus 8 will be 1, and 5 minus 3 will be 2. So the answer will be 2137. After subtracting 6000 from 3863, we will get 2137. Now, here's something new, my dear. There we have discussed regrouping of digit, arrangement of the digit in a column. We have discussed how we can take borrowing. All these we have discussed. Here we are going to discuss if the missing numbers are there, then what we will do. Suppose if two numbers are there and one block is missing. Suppose if 2 is there and 8 is there. Here at the subtrahend place, nothing is written. So what you will do? 8 minus what you will do mm, means 2 minus what you will do, then you will get 8 here. Okay, 2 minus what you will do, then you will get 8 here. If suppose here the number whatever you have to write, that should be lesser than 2. Okay, then only, because 2 is greater. So in that case what we will do, just see. Hmm. What you will do, you have to think here that if 2 minus what we will do, then we will get 8 as a difference. So 2 minus, if anything you will write, then it will become bigger. So it will take one carry from here, it will be 12. Suppose it will be 12. 12 minus 8 when you will do, okay, 12 minus 8 when you will do, you will get 4. Okay, so if 12 minus 4 I am doing, then I am getting 8. Here it is 0. 0 minus 7 is not possible, so it will take one carry from the number next to it. 10 minus 7, it will be 3, isn't it? Now here it is 1, because 1 it is already given. 1 minus what you will do, then you will get 0. 1 minus, if one any number when subtracted by itself only, then it can give 0 na. So 1 minus 1 can be 0. Now 6 minus 7, again not possible, because 6 is greater or lesser and 7 is greater. It will take one carry, it will become 16. 16 minus 7 when you will do, you will get 9. So 9 will be written here and 4 will be taken there. Now 4 minus 3 when you will do, you will get 1, and 4 minus 1 when you will do, then you will get 3. So this is how you have to apply your brain here for solving this kind of questions. Okay, because you are going to get the missing numbers. Somewhere you have to subtract, somewhere you have to add, somewhere you don't have to do anything. Like here 1 minus 1 we have got easily 0. So just we have to apply the brain, nothing more than that. In the same way this will be also done. Like 7 minus 5, it is already written 2. 9 means 3, what you will minus is right here at the minuend place, with which you will subtract 3, then you will get 9. Okay, what you will write here, then when you will subtract, you will get 9. So you have to think here that if here we will write 12, suppose, then 12 minus 3 will be 9. Yes, it means it has taken one carry from here, so it will be 3. Is okay. Now 3 minus what you will do, then you will get 8. 3 minus what you will do, then you will get 8. Here at these two places nothing is written, so you have to solve these two places first to get this number. Okay, see, see what we have done. The numbers which are present, that we have just added, like 2 plus 5, we have 2 plus 5 we have done, we have got 7. 9 and 3 is there, so 9 plus 3 is 12, so 2 will be written down, 1 will be taken carry. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 1 is 14, so 4 will be written down, 1 will be taken carry. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so 1 will be written down, 1 will be taken carry. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so 71,421 you will get. You can see here 71,427 minus 42,535, which is which you will subtract, then you will get 28,892. Okay, so this is how we are subtracting. Only two, if two numbers are already given, we have just added both the numbers. When we have added, we have got the third number. Okay, we have got the third number, and then we have, like, the now you will say miss column is written upside and downside, then how we will do? Whatever number is given, okay, you just have to add, like here it is 4 given na, and downside the blank is given, in rest all upside blank is given, no matter, nothing, it is not a, it doesn't matter, you just have to do the same process, you have to add it, okay, and then you will get the third number. Okay, that's all, my dear. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all have understood. Little bit problem maybe you will face in missing number, but there you have to be calm down and little bit more brain you have to apply to solve that. Nothing less than that. It's easy. You just have to be focused to do that. Okay, and you will be. It will be done. If still you will face problem, I am there to solve. You can come with that in the classes. We will discuss together. That's all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.